In this video, I will be going over this crazy breakout that finally is happening for the Bitcoin price action right now, and I will be exactly talk about my price targets, the levels where I think Bitcoin is heading towards next, and of course, much more on today's update video. So don't forget to watch this video till the end, because yes, it will become a very interesting video for sure. So don't forget to slap up that like button, because on yesterday's video, we were extremely close by slapping it back up above 400 likes. And can we potentially do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. First of all, once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, we started to see yesterday that Bitcoin was of course forming higher lows every single time, and together with that we were also starting to form lower highs. What I can currently still see is that Bitcoin officially has not broken above the previous high in the market, what was trading somewhere around to $20,000. And for me to see, of course, the confirmation and the continuation of this trend that we're currently in, we need to be breaking above that level of the $20,000 for Bitcoin. So yes, we are starting to see Bitcoin moving towards the upside right now a little bit, and we can of course see in the 4-hourly time frame we're breaking bullish, but I will be talking about this in a second from now on. But still, what is going to be important is that the trend on the lower time frames as well are going to be giving me the confirmation. Okay, right now officially we are breaking above the previous high, what means that we're currently officially looking at an uptrend. So in this case, we need to see a candle close above the $20,000 in order to see that confirmation happening. Yesterday as well, we were looking at the descending broadening wedge, and actually it was a very beautiful breakout. You saw the descending broadening wedge getting created right here, and on the point of the breakout, we basically started to increase in price action straight away afterwards towards the upside. So if you did trade it that one, congratulations. Also, if you did trade it this exact breakout I have been talking about on the channel for basically the past 7 days here, if you would have been taking the breakout trade here, you would have made already an approximately gain above 2.5%, even 3% already right now. So what is also going to be important for the confirmation of the trend breakout here on the 4-hourly time frame is a break above the previous high. And currently the 4-hourly candle will be closing its candle in an approximately 1 hour from now on. And if we also confirm the break above the previous high on the 4-hourly time frame, it will also confirm that we're forming a higher high on the 4-hourly time frame, meaning and suggesting that we are going to see more upside from that point onwards, because we're breaking above a downward sloping structure. Already we've been breaking above that important downward sloping trend line like you can see over here, and after we basically broke above it, we were getting that long signal in the market, and straight away after, the price action did increase in valuation. The price target of this exact breakout right here is going to be trading somewhere around the $21,000 for Bitcoin. And what is very interesting is that the $21,000, like you can see right here, is coming together with this very important previous level of support that most certainly could be flipping into resistance, and is most certainly a very good take profit area in my opinion for a potential rejection for Bitcoin, or potentially a break above would be resulting in of course more bullish price action. Of course, yeah, this is looking pretty good here. Only the last confirmation I'm waiting for to really expect, okay, now we're going to go towards $21,000 is of course that first initial break above $20,000, what is basically the previous high on the market right here. So please keep all your eyes wide open on that one. But clearly right now we're seeing the bullish breakout happening here on the 4-hourly time frame. Then once I am looking at the daily time frame, I am actually starting to get pretty excited, and I could also use this chart for a second to make it a little bit more clear. But once looking at the daily time frame, you can currently see we formed a downward sloping resistance line from high to low. And if I am zooming in here, currently Bitcoin is breaking above this level. Is this a confirmation yet so far? No, it isn't. But if we do manage to close the daily candle for Bitcoin above the 19.7k, it means that Bitcoin will be breaking the daily downtrend like you can see right here, that has been basically around for a very long time. And yeah, if we really can officially break above this level, it would only mean far greater bullish price action for Bitcoin. So yes, let's hope we can break above it with today's daily candle close. And of course, if we do have a confirmation tomorrow, you definitely will get updated here on the channel if you are subscribed. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now here to stay up to date with all these exact developments that we do talk about on the channel. And yes, also what I am currently still seeing is that the Bollinger Bands is still indicating, if we're looking at the width and if we're looking at how close and how near the bullish bands currently is towards each other, that a big move is going to be imminent. So far, yes, Bitcoin has been moving 2% towards the upside, but is this really the big move we've been waiting for? No, for sure not. I'm still waiting for an even larger time frame move, a larger and way bigger move, just like we had a swing here from approximately $58,000 towards all the way down $30,000, and also just like we had a swing from $40,000 back to $69,000. So we are currently expecting a similar swing in price action. Whether it's going to be bullish or bearish, we are expecting there is going to be an insane volatility spike anytime soon here, and I truly hope, of course, it's going to be a reaction towards the upside. But in case we're going to fall lower, my strategy will remain the same, and that is, of course, dollar cost average in towards the market. Buy more Bitcoin around this average price below $20,000. It is extremely cheap, in my opinion, for the long run, and due to that fact, I am just going to stack on more and more Bitcoin every single day. And if you actually are interested in claiming a free $1,000 long or short position, don't forget to check out the highest link in the description right now, because if you do sign up a new account using the link in the description right now, deposit $1,000, you will be able to claim a free $1,000 long or short position here on the Bybit exchange. Be aware, it's only valid for people that sign up a new account using the link in the description and deposit $1,000. So check it out right now. It's definitely extremely profitable. Make sure that you will be benefiting from this insane deposit bonus Bybit is currently offering to you guys out there on the channel. Furthermore, we can currently see Bitcoin is, of course, trading in that 47-week downtrend. And like you can see, we're also once again approaching the resistance. And realistically speaking, for me to see a clear break above the 47-week downtrend, I want to just see a close above 20.4K approximately. If we're also looking, of course, at the weekly time frame, we can see that currently Bitcoin is indeed creating that insane bullish divergence. We are seeing the price action forming a lower low here, and actually the bullish divergence has got confirmed off the previous weekly candle close. We are seeing a lower high getting formed here on the weekly time frame. Well, in fact, the RSI is forming a higher low, what means that we're forming a bullish divergence. And if you don't know already, Bitcoin also created many bearish divergences in the past, and actually the last bearish divergence on the weekly time frame we saw on the price action of Bitcoin was the big result of basically the downturn of Bitcoin from its all-time high. And yeah, currently we're seeing a bullish divergence happening on the weekly time frame, and more importantly, this bullish divergence is happening from oversold conditions. And historically speaking, if a bullish divergence happens in oversold conditions, it tends to react way stronger, and also the exact opposite way around. If Bitcoin is forming a bearish divergence in oversold conditions, like it was doing at the previous all-time high, the market also usually tends to react stronger to that. Then really, the last thing I want to be seeing really Bitcoin break above here is this trend line right here, because yeah, so far we're still trading in a descending triangle. Bitcoin on the daily time frame, I mean, yes, we can see Bitcoin is moving up right now on the 4-hourly time frame, but still, if we are going to be looking at the daily time frame, there is not really a lot changing right now, because we can clearly see we are forming lower highs every single time right here, together with lower lows. And on the daily time frame, this is also a small little bounce only. It's a small little bounce that we're currently creating. This is nothing compared to where we're basically could be heading towards, so still be very much aware. Bitcoin is trading on a very dangerous point in the market. We're still forming lower highs, and until we're not going to be breaking off this previous high right here and break above the previous high of the $22,000 for Bitcoin, I mean, realistically speaking, Bitcoin is still looking quite bearish on that bigger picture. So make sure to have a strategy. My strategy is that if Bitcoin goes any lower, I will still keep on accumulating, because I do think it's a very good valuation for accumulating my tokens at. So my strategy is to DCA in towards the market right now. I am literally buying Bitcoin every single day. You could also do it on a monthly basis. You could also do it on a weekly basis. Just make sure that you will be having one strategy right now that will help you to get a good average price in towards the market right now. So this was it for today's update video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to slap up that like button. If you are interested in basically making money in crypto, check out the videos here popping up above. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.